Ndungu live lonke titolo takabhizinisi lisesabalala and sibuka nefocus kubantwana labancane namhla sinibona kaManzi injani mhlambe singathini sponsor in terms of lesibonile ngabe nijabulile
Siyabonga Dlamini si-sponsor sijabule kakhulu ngosi sibone italenta la kulabantu labasha lelingetulu wale besiku-expectile. This young boy nje lo wine player of the tournament junior, the boy is playing like a professional player, so we are expecting to see these boys moving up the ranks ebhola until bawufika ekugcineni. We are expecting to see them ku-national team, we are expecting to see them playing at international level. So lesikubona kuhle lapha Nkosi, and we hope kutaqhubeka abafana bangabe sebayalahleka, baqhubeke nje mhlawumbe ibhola ibagcine base bawufika ekugcineni necareer yabo.
Sibonile mhlambe nesitolo abantwana namgcine bodlalisa kuphela kunini basupporta khona sibona isitolo siphinze basithe nalo kwethu mhlambe nesitolo yini mhlambe lena kubona mhlambe kuyigcina lenifisa loku-achieve also to encourage other companies to actually follow suit into the actions enwentile to help these boys to navigate.
Okay, ngicale nje ngekuthi Nkosi siyafisa lokuthi kube mane sikhona nasemankayane sikhona nakahlathi nakuphi kuphi, so that Swaziland Storm cover wonke, but ke kuyi-challenge to other companies who are in those places ukuthi basite abantu laba kuleso sigaba leso. Nathi nje siyibhizinisi Nkosi njengoba si-developa likhaya lakho, siqale ekuqaleni sikwakhele likhaya lakho solibeke ekugcineni, sisho njana kulala abancane sithi nakhona sikhola kakhulu ukuyicala ekuqaleni lento singayithathi nje singathi ukuthi buyaphi. So nalabantwana sibakhulise from laba abancane, and then we hope ukuthi ibhola itawubagcina baze bayofika baphile ngebhola. Ibhola seyimpilo Nkosi, akusinje sport kuphela, it's livelihood, people baphila ngayo. So siyethemba nathi ukuthi ngalinye ilanga siyababona abadlala overseas, the same boys labasho bathi ngaqala ngidlala ku-Build It Under 13. So ngekubona kwethu kuba sitha mhlambe nakwethu njini siye sibuke lokuthi nasesikhona sinabo vele lamhla sibethu, we have to help them holistically Nkosi, singabe ibhola nje kuphela, konke lekukhona bantwana badlale Nkosi.
Mhlambe Ndungu nawo ngumdala ekhaya uhlezi mhlambe kulokunye utawufika athi ngabe wami umntwana ngayi nebholeni kukhuthaza nje kubatali i-support.
Ngiyabonga Nkosi, batala babakhulule abantwana bakho. This is a safe space ngoba abantwana Nkosi bane-energy. Let's allow them ukuthi basebenzise le energy yabo, because nasingabavumeli bayisebenzise kuma-sports, they will find themselves bayisebenzisa la ku-wrong khona. So ngakhuthaza nje batali bonke nabo nje bafana bakhona la Nkosi, noma mhlambe i-age yabo sebangethuli batobukela labafana abancane kunabo badlala. So we are saying batali, let them abavumele bantwana bethe ema-sports. Bantwana kuyamcinisa umntwana mentally and otherwise nakadlala ema-sports, nempilo yakhe iba ngcono nakadlala than umntwana luhleli phasi. So singabakhuthaza nje bathathu babalethe bantwana, Build It will take care of them.